Tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner? The struggle of carrying it up and down the stairs, maneuvering around furniture, and dealing with tangled cords can be exhausting. Traditional vacuum cleaners can be cumbersome and inconvenient, making the task of cleaning your home feel like a chore. A central vacuum system offers a convenient and powerful solution for keeping your home spotless. Imagine a system that eliminates the need to drag a heavy unit from room to room. With a central vacuum system, you can enjoy a cleaner home with less effort. Imagine this: you plug a lightweight hose into a wall inlet and poof, you're ready to clean. No more lugging around a bulky machine. The central vacuum system is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making your cleaning routine simpler and more enjoyable. No more dragging, no more cord hassles. The lightweight hose is easy to handle and allows you to move freely around your home without being tethered to an outlet. This means you can clean more quickly and efficiently, reaching every corner with ease. Central vacuum systems are like built-in helpers for your cleaning routine. They are integrated into the structure of your home, providing powerful suction and superior cleaning performance. This means you can achieve a deeper clean with less effort, keeping your home looking its best. They're designed to provide a deep clean while making your life easier. The powerful suction of a central vacuum system can remove dirt, dust, and allergens more effectively than traditional vacuum cleaners, contributing to a healthier living environment. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, a central vacuum system is worth considering. It can be installed during the construction phase or retrofitted into an existing home. The investment in a central vacuum system can enhance the value of your property and provide long-term benefits for your cleaning routine. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your home is thoroughly clean, free from dust and allergens. A central vacuum system not only makes cleaning easier but also improves the overall air quality in your home, creating a healthier environment for you and your family. Maintenance is minimal with central vacuum systems. They are designed to be durable and long-lasting, requiring less frequent emptying and filter changes compared to traditional vacuum cleaners. This means less hassle and more time to enjoy your clean home. Experience the convenience and efficiency of a central vacuum system. Say goodbye to the struggles of traditional vacuuming and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. With a central vacuum system, cleaning becomes a breeze, allowing you to spend more time on the things you love. Make the smart choice for your home and your family. Invest in a central vacuum system and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, more convenient, and healthier living space. Your home deserves the best, and a central vacuum system delivers just that. A central vacuum system has a few key parts. These components work together seamlessly to provide a powerful and efficient cleaning solution for your home. The power unit is the heart of the system. This crucial component generates the suction power needed to remove dirt and debris from your living spaces. It's usually located in a garage, basement, or utility room. This placement keeps the noise and bulk of the unit out of your main living areas, ensuring a quieter and more pleasant cleaning experience. The power unit houses the motor and the dirt collection system. The motor creates the necessary suction, while the dirt collection system captures and contains the debris, keeping your home clean and fresh. Pipes are installed inside the walls of your home. These pipes form a network that connects the power unit to various inlets throughout your house. Think of them like secret passageways for dirt. As you clean, the dirt travels through these hidden pipes, away from your living spaces and into the central collection unit. These pipes connect the power unit to the inlets. The inlets are strategically placed throughout your home to provide easy access for cleaning. Inlets are the portals to a cleaner home. They allow you to connect your hose and cleaning tools to the central vacuum system. They're strategically placed in walls throughout your house. This strategic placement ensures that no matter where you are, there's always an inlet nearby, making it convenient to clean any room. You simply plug your hose and cleaning tools into the inlet that's most convenient. This flexibility allows you to move from room to room with ease without having to lug around a heavy vacuum cleaner. The hose is your connection to the system's power. Once connected, the powerful suction of the central vacuum system is at your fingertips, ready to tackle any cleaning task. It's lightweight and flexible, making it easy to maneuver. This design ensures that you can reach even the most difficult spots in your home, providing a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. The central vacuum system also comes with a variety of attachments. These tools are designed to handle different cleaning tasks, from carpets and hard floors to upholstery and drapes. The filtration system in the power unit ensures that the air expelled is clean and free of allergens. This is particularly beneficial for households with allergy sufferers, as it helps to maintain a healthier indoor environment. Maintenance of the central vacuum system is straightforward. The dirt collection bin needs to be emptied periodically, and the filters should be checked and replaced as needed to ensure optimal performance. With a central vacuum system, you can enjoy a cleaner, healthier home with less effort. The powerful suction, convenient inlets, and variety of attachments make it easy to keep your living spaces spotless. Investing in a central vacuum system is an investment in the cleanliness and comfort of your home. It simplifies your cleaning routine and provides a more effective way to maintain a pristine living environment. So, whether you're dealing with everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, a central vacuum system has you covered. Its efficient design and powerful performance make it an essential tool for any modern home. Discover the difference a central vacuum system can make in your home. Experience the convenience, power, and efficiency that sets it apart from traditional vacuum cleaners. Ready for some cleaning action? Let's dive into the fascinating world of central vacuum systems and see how they make cleaning a breeze. When you turn on the central vacuum system, a whole chain of events is set into motion. The motor in the power unit roars to life, generating a powerful force that drives the entire system. This force creates a strong suction in the network of pipes installed throughout your home. When you attach the hose to an inlet and flip the switch, the system is ready to start cleaning. The suction reaches the cleaning head, allowing it to pick up dirt, dust, and debris from your floors and carpets with ease. As you move the cleaning head across surfaces, dirt, dust, and debris are whisked away through the hose and into the pipes. The dirt travels through the pipes at high speed, ensuring that it doesn't get stuck or clog the system. Finally, the dirt reaches the power unit where it is collected and stored. The dirt is then deposited into a collection container, either a bag or a canister, which you can easily empty when full. One of the biggest advantages of a central vacuum system is the convenience it offers. You don't have to lug around a heavy vacuum cleaner from room to room. Instead, you simply plug the hose into an inlet located in different parts of your home. This makes it incredibly easy to clean stairs, reach high places, and tackle those hard-to-reach areas that a traditional vacuum cleaner might struggle with. Another benefit is the quiet operation. Since the power unit is typically located in a basement or garage, the noise is kept away from your living areas, making for a much quieter cleaning experience. Maintenance is also straightforward. Emptying the collection container is a simple task, and because the system is designed to handle large amounts of dirt and debris, you won't have to do it very often. With a central vacuum system, you can enjoy a cleaner home with less effort, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your living space. It's a powerful, convenient, and efficient way to keep your home spotless. One of the biggest advantages of a central vacuum system is its exceptional cleaning power. The motor in a central unit is much stronger than the motor in a typical portable vacuum. This means it can pick up more dirt, dust, and even pet hair, often in a single pass. Say goodbye to going over the same spot multiple times. Central vacuums are built for the long haul. They're a wise investment that can add value to your home. Section 5. Breathe easy. The health advantages of central vacuum systems. Did you know that vacuuming can actually stir up dust and allergens in the air? This can be a problem for people with allergies or asthma. Central vacuum systems are designed to improve your indoor air quality. Because the power unit is located outside of your living space, it exhausts the dust and allergens it collects outside of your home. This means you'll be breathing cleaner, healthier air. Section 6. Quieting the storm noise reduction with central vacuum. Let's face it, vacuuming can be noisy. If you've ever had to stop a conversation or pause the TV because of the roar of a vacuum, you know what I'm talking about. Central vacuum systems are much quieter than portable vacuums. The noisy motor is tucked away in a remote location, so the sound is significantly reduced. This makes for a more peaceful cleaning experience. You can actually hear yourself think while you vacuum. Section 7. Keeping it clean. Maintaining your central vacuum system. Maintaining your central vacuum system is easy. You'll need to empty the dirt collection container, either a bag or a canister, when it gets full. If your system uses bags, simply remove the old bag and install a new one. If you have a bagless system, empty the canister and give it a quick wipe. Some systems also have filters that need to be cleaned or replaced periodically. Refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions. Section 8, bagged versus bagless, making the right choice for your needs. When choosing a central vacuum system, you'll need to decide between a bagged or bagless system. Both have their pros and cons. Bagged systems offer the ultimate in convenience. When the bag is full, you simply toss it away. No mess, no fuss. Bagless systems, on the other hand, are more environmentally friendly and can save you money on replacement bags. Consider your lifestyle and preferences when making your decision. Section 9. Central Vac, an investment in your home's future. Installing a central vacuum system is a smart and forward-thinking investment in your home. It's a sought-after feature that can significantly increase your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. But more importantly, it's an investment in your family's long-term health and well-being. You'll enjoy cleaner air, a quieter home, and a much more efficient cleaning routine. Section 10. Ready to breathe easy? Discover the power of central vacuum. A central vacuum system is more than just a vacuum. It's a whole home cleaning solution that can simplify your life and improve your health. From the powerful suction to the quiet operation and improved air quality, the benefits are clear. Ready to experience the difference? Contact a central vacuum specialist today to learn more about your options.